In this video we are going to be doing the unboxing of a dishwasher. We're going to be taking the old one out and installing the new one. And also I'm going to tell you why I didn't actually buy it from Amazon. And the reason is, it was going to take too long to get here. This came next day delivery and I bought it from Appliance Direct. Amazon was going to take from 10 days to 20 days for the same item to turn up. So I wanted it next day because the old one is packed up and I didn't want to mess about trying to get it fixed, because the amount of money they were going to charge me, I said to them, for an extra £100 I could buy a brand new one. So that's what I've done. I bought a different brand as well. My old one was Hot Point, which is normally pretty good, and this is a Hoover. No, it's not a vacuum cleaner, it's actually a dishwasher. So with that, let's get her undone. Well, it better be a dishwasher anyway. Try not to scratch it, Yorkie. Do not step, that's what it says there. I'm not going to step on it. Right, that's the unboxing done. I'm going to read the instructions, make sure I haven't missed anything. There is a dent on it, but I'm not going to worry about it because it's on the back. You're never going to see it anyway. And if I'm really worried, I could just try and knock it out, but I'm going to leave it alone. So with that, let's get her in now and fit her all in. We've had it for a few weeks now. We want to give it a chance to settle in, see how we get on with it before we finish this final bit of the video. So I'm going to show you how the controls work. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up initially for the first time and how easy it is to use, and also I'm going to tell you what we think about it, you know, how we're getting on with it, whether it does a good wash or a bad wash. We're going to share that with you in a minute. So first of all, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use and how easy it is to set up. So turn it on, it's just a quick press of the button, and to turn it off, it's not a quick press of the button. You have to hold it in for about 3 seconds and it will go off. So on, straight away, turn it off, 3 seconds. Easy enough. Right, when you first get it, you're going to need to go into the program mode because there's a couple of changes you might want to do. So to do that, you hold in the P button for 5 seconds and it will come up for you to change the language. It's quite easy to do. I'm not going to go through it. I think it's that one there, just scrolls through them. I'm not going to change the language. And softener, if you want to change the water softener, I live in a hard water area, so mine's set at 5 to 6 and it seems to be fine. But should you get any issues with smearing or something, you might want to increase that. Or if you live in a soft water area, you might want to reduce it. So that's that. And then buzzer, the buzzer is on. It's not very loud though, the buzzer. It's probably about the only thing I dislike. I would have preferred it a bit louder, but it's not very louder. Or not very loud. And then you got the rinse. The rinse aid again is something you might want to adjust, and it's quite easy to do. It's set on 3, which we've left alone, but you just scroll through on this button here, and that's it, and then press that. And memory, it's set, or it was set on this one, but memory was turned off. And the reason you might want memory on, which I've done already, so it's just press that, is because it will remember your last settings. Say for instance you put on rapid, which is what we use quite a lot. When you turn it on again, it will automatically be set to rapid or whatever the last wash was, which is really handy because you ain't got to go scrolling through it all on the memory. So we've set it up already for that and it works perfectly. So very happy with that. The other thing I liked about it, it tells you how long the wash is going to be down to the minutes. Okay, so once you've done that, all you got to do is hold the on off button for about 3 seconds and you should be able to turn it off. There you go. So that is it. The other thing to note that you will have to put 1 litre of water in, which I showed you earlier, before you put the salt in, and that is to make sure the salt gets sucked down and does what it's supposed to do. So I've already done that and I did show you in the video as well how to do that. So that is it. So what do we think? Yeah, we are very pleased with it. We have been using only the 32-minute rapid wash at the moment for about 2 to 3 weeks, and it does everything it's supposed to do. It washes the dishes and everything like that really quickly. We have no issues with it whatsoever. It works perfectly. Like I said earlier, I did have a bit of damage, but you ain't going to see it because it's tucked under there. A bit of damage on that side there, but it's not causing any problems. It's working. It does everything I want it to do. Makes the stuff clean and ready for putting away. Yeah, we are very pleased with it. Definitely gets my thumbs up. For the amount of money it costs, it's well worth it. My other dishwasher was £100 dearer than this and it didn't wash as good as this one. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think you've already got one of these perhaps, or you're thinking about buying one of these. Let me know in the comments what you think, and with that, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up, and if you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and consider subscribing. It does help the channel to grow, and it allows me to make videos like this, or it encourages me actually. So with that, thanks very much for watching.